an account owner or publisher, you can use the broadcast feature to post vital information to users in the employee app in a moment's notice. To begin, click on the broadcast icon along the left navigation panel of the admin console. Here, you'll be able to view, create, and manage broadcasts. To set up a new broadcast, click on the Create button. You will have several content options to choose from: a piece of media, an entire channel, or text only. For this example, we'll choose media. Add the media by browsing your computer, by creating a new piece of content, or by uploading an existing piece from the content library. Next, add a title for the broadcast. Then provide a message in the message box. In the priority section, you have two options: critical and standard. Choosing critical will display the message alongside a red icon in the employee app and will take precedence over other broadcasts. Choosing standard will display with a black icon and play as scheduled. Click Next in the top right corner. Now, select the target audience for the broadcast. To broadcast to the employee app, select from the user's drop-down menu. You will then be able to choose how the broadcast will appear in the employee app, either as a notification at the top of the page or as pinned content at the top of the newsfeed. If you chose to publish to specific users or user group, select the users you want to publish to, click Add, and then Next in the top right corner. On the next screen, choose when you want the broadcast to be activated. You can pick dates and times to start and end the broadcast, or activate it now with an end date. Click Next. Confirm the broadcast, and then click Save.